Item user-defined fields. Company, change company settings. User-defined fields. Item. When you create an item, you can enter item details. Furthermore, if you want to add more information about your item, you can use this item user-defined fields. There are 4 types of fields. Text values. You can enter an alphanumeric description up to 50 characters. Numeric values. You can enter numbers. Yes/no values. This is a checkbox which you can check or uncheck. Date values. You can enter dates. You can add 12 additional fields for each item. 3 text values, 3 numeric values, 3 yes/no values and 3 date values. For an example, if you want to add item weight to the system, you can create weight additional field using number field. After that, you can create an item. Go to user defined fields. Here you can see table name has changed to weight. After change label names, you can save.